Alrighty. Well, frustrating day as far as trying to live stream. My internet is apparently having problems again, so that stinks. When this video is done, I don't know how long it could take to upload, if it will even work. But if it does, well then you know you're watching this. So anyways, after that awesome intro, what I'm seeing from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 hour, to me, looks like we're gonna be creeping up this spider line at 62s, maybe 63s, depending on how far along the line and the time. You know, if it's the next candle tomorrow, 63 according to this line. Pretty simple stuff here. So on the 2 hour, first thing that looks great down here on market Cipher B is obviously this tight momentum wave, boop, increasing flow of money coming in. This green line is my main entries right now in my longs. I'm in multiple longs right now with Bitcoin. So starting off with the 2 hour, that looks good. What I'm looking for is it going to be bleeding into the higher time frames for a stronger confirmation of the future? 3 hour, she's kind of opened up. It's running. Don't really we want this wave to continue is what we're hoping for here on the 3 hour. We don't want this to pinch off, and if we zoom in here, I'm not seeing signs of it. This is widening. That's bullish. Going to the 4 hour. Now I see we just had the green dot, right? It's a little earlier. Since we're on a larger time frame, it's just getting started. So when I go to the next time frame, I want to see a green dot just getting started, even on a larger time frame. Let's go with 6 hour. Okay, a little bit shorter, a little bit sideways, but still thick in the money flow, and it's not bad looking. Yeah, 12 hour, I mean this momentum space is still open, doesn't show signs of it curving just yet. Little blips of actually oversold readings, so that's good. So it looks healthy. As time goes on, these spider lines do increase. The trend lines do increase. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, look. Okay, well, boom. It came down. Okay, boom. And then boom. So I'm thinking 62s as a short-term, good profit-taking target. Thinking 62s for some good profit taken, at least, depending on the type of trade that you're in. Going way back down to the 1 hour. Nice little curvature of the money flow. Look at that extremely tight momentum wave. It's still, I mean, it's jagged. It's jagged, but if it's jagged, at least we're seeing the money flow coming up. There's room for maybe some spike action. Same thing. We're going into a new week, aren't we? That's good. So yeah, I guess no surprises here. Wow, look at the spider line. Look how it just came, boop, bounced right off that puppy. Let's go to the Gemini. Wow, look at that. What's this one? Okay, so this one a little bit tighter to this is a different start where we drew the weekly spider lines. Obviously, if you go back to the weekly, if you haven't watched the spider line videos, go ahead and watch them. Where we start the trend lines is a little different, whether it's hike and sheet candles, normal candles. Anyways, but zooming back in and draw your own, you know, make your own lines. This has been obviously a little tighter, so actually 61s is also profit taking target. So I kind of have two as of right now for my Bitcoin longs. And you guys know me, I like shaving it off, going back in at the bottom, shaving it off. It's why I have multiple accounts. So I can take a little bit of profit here, take some there, and, you know, not feel left out of the party. But safe if the party crashes. Making sure we have a good time, but being safe. Just like a real party. Same thing with trading. We're having a good time. We're taking profits, setting reasonable goals. We're not, you know, getting super shit-faced. And if the cops come, I'm passed out on the couch and I'm going to wake up in jail. We're not going to get wrecked from partying too hard. Have a little drink, chop up a couple chickies, take some profit along the way. And if some crazy shit happens and it pumps hella hard, which is totally possible, sweet, we're going to be getting some of that. And if it crashes, we know that we are secured some profits. Playing it safe. Patience. I think that's pretty much it. I don't want to make this video too long because I'm worried about it uploading with my internet problems driving me nuts. Worst time to have these internet problems, man. Ugh. So I'm going to try to tackle it tomorrow and see if I can get it fixed. Some things money just can't buy, I guess. Other than that, hope y'all had a good weekend. God bless.